Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Bybit so you can easily receive BTC from any other wallet or exchange. Before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more quick crypto videos. First thing you need to do is log into your Bybit account. After logging in, at the bottom right corner, tap on the assets, click on the deposit button, click on deposit crypto button. Now you'll see a list of coins, search for BTC, tap on BTC. Bybit will now show your BTC wallet address. Some accounts may also ask you to choose a network. Usually it's the Bitcoin network, so make sure it matches the network you are sending from. You will now see your Bitcoin deposit address along with a QR code. You can copy the address or scan code from any other app. Tap copy to copy the address, and that's it. Now you know how to find your BTC wallet address on Bybit for safe and easy deposits. If this found you helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials.